Hi everyone, welcome to TechCater. Today in this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to use WordPress as a CMS content management system for Firebase, where you can create and manage data from WordPress and then update it in Firebase. Okay, now let's get started. So for example, I want to create a books database where I have book information such as book title, summary, year, author, and probably the payment link. If you use Stripe, you can create one-time payment link that can be added to the book, and then customer can pay for the book directly. So that is the general idea. And in order to create the custom post type, the database, I'm gonna use the JetEngine. So this is the current installed plugins. So the previous video I showed you how to create a job posting database using advanced custom fields, and today I'm gonna use JetEngine. So if you have JetEngine plugin installed, you will have the option on the left side where you have JetEngine, and then you go to post type to create custom post type. Okay, so I'm gonna add new, and then the post name gonna be books. Okay, and I have some settings here. I just want the title and I don't want the editor, so I'm gonna remove it. And in the meta fields, I'm gonna have some data such as year, the year the book is public, and the text type gonna be number. Okay, and I'm gonna have the other meta field, which is author. Okay, the text field is text, and I'm gonna have something else, such as summary. And in this one, I'm gonna have the field using the what you see, what you get. So to have a rich text with HTML text, so it will display the same styling from WordPress in Firebase when you want to display the data in your web app, for example. And then another field which is payment link. If you have the link for customer to purchase the book, you can put it here, and the field type should be text. And then after that, I'm gonna add post type. So after I add post type, you will have a summary here with the post type name, and then the number of meta fields. And on the left side, you will see a new tab named books. So you can create a new book here. So I'm gonna add new. So by using the custom post type, you have a nice structure of the data that you want to create. It's like you building the data model in the JetEngine, and then you manage create new or update or delete data under the book section. So I can add a sample books. It could be book one, for example. Okay, and then in this year, I'm gonna put this year, author, Dale, and then the summary. This is a book of my life, for example, and then the payment link. So you can get this one from Stripe, for example, or anything that you give customer so they can purchase the book that you created. And then after that, I publish. So this is the first book, and then in the file store, I should have some data such as author. So author is the user from WordPress. It also has the Firebase UID, and I have some custom fields which is the data model that I define in JetEngine custom post type. So everything is here. So if you use your Flutter app, for example, or a web app, you will know where to access your data. It will be under custom fields, and you have the option to customize entire data just to save the data that you want. But I'm gonna go to that section later, maybe in the another video. So just coming back, before you save, remember that you need to check your Firebase and make sure that you have the books custom post type listed inside the custom post type section under WordPress tab. Okay, so if you don't have books here, it will not save to your Firebase. And come back to books. So once you have data under the books, you can update and delete data, such as I can add something here, and it will be updated in Firebase. Okay, so you will see that, where is it, custom field. Yep, you will see that in the summary you will have the new number 2 that I just added. So you can treat WordPress as a content management system for manage your data in Firebase, and it comes with the authentication, so you can give customers access, or your staff or your employees, for example, with different kind of user role, and they can create new data, and then everything will be updated in Firebase. So that's everything for today. Now you know how to use WordPress as a CMS for Firebase. If you have any question or request, just let me know. I'm happy to create a video for it. Okay, now see you in the next video. Bye.